fight of Raymart Gavallo, partner mo. He won the WBO Oriental Bantamweight title against Kai Parov dito rin sa Midas Hotel. Dito namang si Ken Torres comes from Mexico. Alam mo, partner, pag sinabing Mexico at Pilipinas,
Rivalry.
boxing, oo,
Rivalry.
stiff rivals yan talaga sa boxing.
Oh, that left to the body by Gavallo did connect.
The assassin goes to the body.
He's now working early on dito sa fight na to. I'm speaking about Gavallo.
A quick and agile Raymart Gavallo starts off in round 1 with those rapid-fire punches.
Mukhang ininsayo talaga yung ni Gavallo yung left hook niya.
Sir, Ken Torres is actually coming from a win also, no, against Cheng Yang. This is in Vietnam in January 2024, and he comes back to the ring facing a huge left hook by Ken Torres that catches Gavallo.
Kasi pagpasok ng Gavallo, nakaano yung counter.
Salubong,
Salubong
kumbaga.
yung counter.
That compounds.
That left send Gavallo to the canvas.
The left hand of Ken Torres catches Gavallo, and he is up. Gavallo goes to the body. Ken Torres.
Again, Gavallo is down on the second time on this fight. This a little bit rubberized leg for Gavallo, partner.
There you have it. Ken Torres capitalizing on those two knockdowns with
45 minutes left on that round.
Gavallo with his hands up, trying to cover up.
That upper did connect for Torres again. What a stunning win by Torres, beating WBO #1 fighter by a first round KO.